Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. On the last day of my holiday last week, we decided to take our two children to a bird and reptile park in Bali. And they enjoyed it very much. We got to see anacondas and spitting cobras and all kinds of different amazing birds of paradise. And right at the end, we were encouraged to pose as a family group with a range of different multicoloured parrots and macaws. When my daughter was looking through the photos, she suddenly realised that while everyone else in the family had all different kinds of birds draped on their shoulders and sitting on their heads, I'd somehow managed to avoid having this foisted upon me. And my daughter looked at the photos and said, "Oh, Dad, everyone else has got birds on them. You're letting the side down. Look at you." If you let the side down, you behave in a way that disappoints or maybe embarrasses a group of people that you're part of. So maybe, for example, if your family are all super smart and they've all done really well at school and university and they've all gone on to get very academic jobs and you're not particularly academic, you might worry that you're going to let the side down. Maybe if you work in a company or a school, perhaps, you might realise that the workers are basically great. It's management who let the side down. And maybe if you're playing a team sport, you might make a terrible mistake that results in a defeat. And you might apologise at the end saying, "I'm really sorry, that was all my fault. I let the side down, I let myself down." In another example, maybe you work as a sales rep and everyone else in your department meets their sales targets for the year, except you, and you're plagued by guilt because you've let the side down. If you enjoy this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use let the side down.